Hello, this is Yarrow with ZFM test number 10. What we're going to do is actually run a water pump and show you the ZFM pumping water. It is a real machine. It can do work. The essential setup here is going to be a free flow setup, meaning there's no back pressure on the system. I'm going to run 36 volts first, and the reads for 36 volts are about 2.82 amps at 2500 RPM or so, 3.0 gallons per minute, and at 48 volts, 3.32 amps at 3200 RPM, and that's at 3.6 GPM. The machine really is going to be lugging. It's not into its major mode, speed mode. In any case, here's a view of the pump arrangement. It's a standard Harbor Freight pump, 12 volt. It's a utility pump. It doesn't give you a heck of a lot, but it works. It definitely works. And what we're doing is pumping water out of this 5-gallon bucket down to, through the pump, down to this bucket right here. And you'll note a pressure gauge and a valve. I have to open a valve before we do anything. And we will take a shot at doing the 36 volt. We'll see if we can get an RPM read. I don't have much operational time. It takes a minute and a half to fill up the buckets, so we have to hustle to make things happen. So let's give it a whirl. Let's open the valve. We're siphoning a little bit of water out, and let's see if this thing will turn here. The machine is really lugging right now. 36 volts, it likes to run about 12,000, 11,000 RPM. I have about 3,100 RPM here. And you can physically see the water flowing. There is no back pressure on the system, so that's 36 volts. Here we go. We'll do a slight adjustment here. Change the voltage. To 48 volts. Let's see what we get out of this puppy at this point. Let's make sure everything is ready to roll here. All right. Let's get an RPM read. About 3460, 3450. The water is flowing again. It's a bit steadier stream. We have 3.6 gallons a minute coming out of it. You see the bucket is filling up rapidly here. Well, you've had to look at the ZFM. It's not running in prime mode, in its what I call happy mode. It's kind of lugging and complaining, and it does need to be geared in order to take advantage of its characteristics, its high RPM characteristics. Anyway, this is the video, and thank you for watching.